Hello guys! Today I'm going to tell you how to get a free domain and hosting. First of all, you need to type Infinity Free in your browser. After that, click on the first result just like I'm doing. Once the website opens, you'll have the option to either register or log in. Since I already have an account, I'm going to choose login, but if you don't have an account on Infinity Free, you must register first. After logging in, I'll select my account. Then click on Control Panel. Simply accept the terms and policy if they ask you to. Once that's done, you'll be brought to another page. Scroll down and look for the Softaculous app installer. When you find it, click on it and look for WordPress, then click Install. After that, you'll be taken to a new page. Fill in the basic information. Scroll down and click Install again. I can't install it right now because I already have it installed. Remember to copy the URL and save it. And that's it, you now have your very own website.